Back at it again, you know. Make them know say I done the place, you know, and me are the top chef, you know. Look at that, yeah, man. You don't know the thing go some sea creature do it to them, man. Some red snapper with some shrimp. You don't know the thing go. So you gotta get your red snapper and you gotta clean it and wash it with the green lime. Do the same thing to the shrimp. And then you go season it generously. You see me I say? You don't know use anything in your cupboard, man, where you like, man. You see me I say? But you don't know you can get some pimento bean or allspice. You see me I say? And add it to your seasoning. That I go give a nice flavor from the islands. You know what I mean? Look at that. Yeah, man. Put away the shrimp. We don't need that till way down in the video. You see me I say? Me I show you all of the things them I put in the pot. Look at that. You don't know okra, carrot, pumpkin, scallion, Brussels sprouts. You see me I say 1x. You don't know Irish potato, baby bap chow. You see me I say we are cut up all of them things, yeah? And we are go steam it down. Then we are go add the shrimp in it. You see me I say don't forget the thyme. And your garlic. You see me I say some scotch bonnet. That's pepper. You see me I say make the pot taste better. Look at that. Yeah, man, you don't know you get your garlic. We are seasoning up the oil right now. Because we are going to fry up the red snapper them. You see me I say well done. You see me I say for this recipe you're welcome. Look at that. Make them know say I done the place, you know. I'm the top chef, you know. After I oil ready now, you don't know you drop the sea creature them in the pot. And then you go say look at that. You see me I say multitask at the same time. You see me I say and cut up the baby bab chow them. You don't know. You see me I say everything nice. You wash all your ingredients. You see me I say everything get washed. You see me I say you don't know the thing go. Cut up everything. Don't make the sea creature them burn up. You see me I say? Because you don't know the thing go, you know. I done the place, you know. I'm here the top chef, you know. Make sure, you know, I subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. Yeah, man, it name Top Chef Done the Place, you know. Look at that. The link in my bio. Yeah, man. Get the new recipe book out now, you know. Yeah, man. Go up on Etsy, man. And you don't know, you find the recipe book, it name No Recipe Book. You see me I say by Top Chef Done the Place. Look at that. Yeah, man, you cut up everything and your pumpkin. You see me I say wash it good. Because we're going to keep the skin pan it, you know. Look at that. If you take off the skin, you're not going to have no pumpkin in the pot. Everything I just smash out. You see me I say? Look at that. Yeah, man, then you just flip the sea creature them. You see me I say, clean your area where you work. You see me at all time. You see me I say, food you cook. No recipe book. You see me? So you don't know what them you done. Yeah, man, you don't know you drop them there, so. And drop the next two them in the pot. And then you know the thing where you go see already. Look at that. You drop the vegetable over there, so in the pot. You see me I say? You put your coconut milk in it. Add little flavor to it. Not too much, because you don't want the salt. You see me? Yeah, man, stir up that. You see me I say? You don't know the thing go. One next way I do. Yeah, man, put some butter in it because you don't know the thing go, you know. You want it flavorable. You see me I say you get some milk, cut up your bami and drop in it. You see me I say add little sugar, sweeten the milk, drop your bami in it. You say look at that, make it go and soak. You see me I say when them sea creature they done, we are going to throw the bami in the pot. But in the meantime, we are put on the rice. We are going to put thyme in it, scallion, some pimento bean, butter. You see me I say, look at that. Make them know say I done the place, you know. I'm here the top chef, you know. Yeah, man, go subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. You don't know the thing go, man. And follow that page. If you reach this far in the video, just click the follow button, man. Because you don't know the thing go. If you like the content, click the follow button. We are trying to reach 10,000 by next month. You see me I say, look at that. We can do it. Yeah, man, at the top chef, man. So yeah, man, you don't know the thing, man. We fry up the bami and thing. You don't know when it get brown up. You take it out of the pot. We put a sea creature seasoning in the pot right there, so. You see me I say, you know, the grey sea creature soup that we use. Look at that. Yeah, man, you don't know the bami them ready. You don't know them go and soak out the island thing. You don't know you drop the shrimp in the pot. You see me I say that done already, you know. You throw in there done. So just turn off the stove and thing. You don't know the thing go stir it up. About maybe 3 minutes and it done. You see me I say, you don't know the thing go. Look at that. Me just show you a sample before me share out the food. You see all that's good. With some rice, some dumpling, anything. But me eat it with rice. You see me I say, and a red snapper. You see me I say, the pot was proper. Look at that. Make them know say I done the place, you know. I'm here the top chef, you know.